Now she is cleaning on my shoulder. Oh, wow. I don't mind, but don't poop on my head. Well, this bird is always on the move, from one shoulder to another shoulder to my lap, flies to the What do you think, bird? I'm taking picture of you. I'll share that with my friends and family. Back to my head. Okay, let's go back to the house. This is my third day with this bird.